Meaning of gumshoe.
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 Gumshoe. The term gumshoe refers to a detective or investigator, especially one who is considered to be old-fashioned or amateurish. The word originally comes from the rubber soles of shoes used by detectives to sneak up on suspects quietly. Gumshoes are often portrayed in popular culture as trenchcoat-wearing, hard-boiled detectives who rely more on instinct and street smarts than on scientific methods or advanced technology. Despite their reputation for being rough around the edges, gumshoes are known for their resourcefulness and dogged determination in solving tough cases.